Inna the fire, inna the flood, soul of survivor rise from mud. No chain can hold, no fear can stay. We walk through darkness into day. I come from the dust of broken roads, where every dream carries heavy loads. But I still sing when the night is cold, 'cause my heartbeat is pure gold. I've seen the system try to break my name, turn up to ashes, feed me shame. But every scar is a sacred flame, reminding me I still remain. Soul of the survivor, rise up higher, burning through the pain like fire. No surrender, no retreat, we rise again upon our feet. Soul of the survivor, strong and true, the world can break what lives in you. Through the storm and through the rain, we rise again, again, again. They built the walls to block my sight, but I found freedom in inner light. Even chains can't bind the soul when truth is burning in control. From Kingston streets to Bahia sun, two voices chanting we are one. Different lands but the same fight, survivors rising in the night. I learned the rhythm from broken drums, from hungry hearts where struggle comes. Yet every beat is a call to rise, beyond the tears in tired eyes. No education of fear can stay. When spirit learns a better way, we heal ourselves with every song and prove the doubters wrong. Soul of the survivor, rise up higher, burning through the pain like fire. No surrender, no retreat, we rise again upon our feet. Soul of the survivor, strong and true, the world can break what lives in you. Through the storm and through the rain, we rise again, again, again. I walk with ancestors at my side, their wisdom in the rising tide. They whisper softly, don't you fall, stand up strong and answer the call. Every wound becomes a guide, every tear I never hide turns to rivers that carry me into a place where I am free. They try to sell me empty dreams, wrapped in gold and false esteem. But I chose roots instead of chains, to dance in freedom through the pain. From favela to island shore, we sing for those who came before. Survivors know what life demands, we build tomorrow with our hands. No victim, no prison, no end of road, we carry the light that the elders sowed. Through broken systems and burning skies, the soul of survivor never dies. Soul of the survivor, rise up higher, burning through the pain like fire. No surrender, no retreat, we rise again upon our feet. Soul of the survivor, strong and true, the world can break what lives in you. Through the storm and through the rain, we rise again, again, again. Survivor, still we rise like morning fire. Survivor, soul alive, we go higher. Survivor, still we rise like morning fire. Survivor, soul alive, we go higher. Was born the sunrise meets the struggle of the street, barefoot walking on rhythmless concrete. Every corner had a story written in dust and pain, but I learned how to dance in the falling rain. Even when the world said I would never rise, I found rebellion burning deep in my eyes. No silver spoon, just a voice and a will, and a heart that refuses to stay still. So I sing for the broken, the bent and the bruised, every soul that was used and refused. We are more than the labels they try to impose. We are flowers that grow through the cracks of the road. From Kingston echoes to Bahia heat, to distant lands but the same heartbeat. We carry the weight of ancestral chains, yet we turn every loss into musical gains. The drum speaks louder than oppression's decree. It tells the forgotten they are already free. I've seen rivers of sorrow turn into light when voices unite in the depth of the night. No border can silence a truth that is sung. No empire can steal what the spirit has sprung. We are fire encoded in melodies code, walking together this spiritual road. I tried to bury my dreams in the ground, but forgot that roots still travel sound. Every seed in the soil remembers the sky, even when no one believes it can fly. I have been broken, I have been torn, still I wake up every new morn. Not as a victim but warrior crowned, with resilience echoing all around. The storm was never meant to destroy, but to teach me how to rebuild joy. So I rise like a chant from the deep, where the ancestors never sleep. I walk through silence louder than war, where hope was a locked and rusted door. But I learned to pick it with rhythm and soul, till every fracture became whole. They said survival was only for few, but I turned struggle into something new. A language carved in heartbeat and breath, defying the shadow of permanent death. I carry the stories that try to erase, written in rhythm, time and space. And every note that escapes my voice is another reason to rejoice. There is a fire that does not burn skin. It lives inside where truth begins. A sacred flame no water can drown, that lifts the fallen without a crown. I have seen kings turn into dust, and broken men rebuild from trust. Not in systems that fail and decay, but in the spirit that lights the way. So I chant fire